AI manages billions in investments, but is your money really safe? Let's dive into the truth that many beginners overlook. First, risk number one, AI can't predict crashes. Remember the 2020 COVID market drop? No algorithm saw that coming. Relying solely on AI could leave you vulnerable when the market takes a nosedive. Next, we have black box scams. Ever seen those flashy ads promising guaranteed returns with AI? Beware, many of these are just smoke and mirrors. If you can't see how the AI makes decisions, you could be throwing your money into a bottomless pit. So, how do you protect yourself? Here are 3 essential rules to stay safe. First, test first. Always start with paper trading. It's a risk-free way to understand the market without losing real money. Second, demand transparency. If an AI tool won't show you its strategy, walk away. And finally, never go all in. Diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Want the full safety checklist? Check the link in bio.